Alright, my fiddle leaf fig has not been doing very well. It's been dropping a lot of leaves lately. So hate it as I might, I'm going to have to check what's going on inside the soil. Not looking forward to it because it's really heavy. Thing is, when I bought this plant from the nursery, it was planted in clay. Like all nursery plants, they plant it in clay because that's the cheapest soil they can get. So what I didn't do is I didn't remove the soil. I just plonked the whole plant into this big pot and poured new soil around it. So I think the clay might be getting the best out of the roots now. Oh goodness, look at the amount of clay. Like whole chunks of it. That's all clay. That's all clay, and there's still more inside. And I think some of the roots have rotted, broken off, because I've been watering this, and after some time the clay becomes really hard and it doesn't drain water anymore. Look at the amount of clay that they planted this plant in. So this was a big mistake of just buying the plant and just plonking the whole plant in without changing the soil at all. I hope this one can be saved, because I think a lot of roots have either broken off or rotted off. So let's see what I can do with this. Right, so far I've removed all this clay from the roots, and I probably did pull off some roots, but most of it is already hollow. Like, I'm just trying to carefully pry out some of the soil, some of the clay. Like you see, this root has already just broken off because it's all hollow inside. Must have been suffocating inside here. Man, look at all this. Basically, it's just clay. You can play Play-Doh with this. So these are the 2 bags of clay that I managed to pry out from the roots. And it looks like that now. Some still stuck in the center, but I'm just going to leave that, as long as most of the root can breathe now. So I'm going to salvage some of those black soil back into the pot and repot this little baby. I hope it survives this ordeal. Poor thing. But wow, even I can breathe better now.